Testing, testing. One, two, three. I think we should be live right now on the YouTube channel. And
It's
thank
not.
you guys for watching. And today we have Blaze Weather here, which is my good weather friend. And, and
Hello?
and we will be covering this potential tornado outbreak possible. We actually do have an enhanced risk of severe weather. Ray Maves is in the stream.
Yeah, he's like really active in the stream, He's
He
like,
he been asking about you.
dude, I was live literally like, I don't know if he knows, but I was live streaming yesterday. He wasn't in it though.
New severe thunderstorm warning. Yep. He said things are kind of slow right now.
Yeah, I agree, but like the
Mhm.
storms, they're just like they're not really doing stuff
Yeah.
right now. Oh, two confirmed tornadoes. That's great, but the storms, they're just not working out. They're like
Yeah.
not working out. Like look at over like Baton Rouge and like the only thing we have right now is a special weather statement. We got two
Yeah.
severe thunderstorm warnings in
Let's actually look at that storm.
Mississippi. The only one is in Mississippi. That's it.
I'm actually opening two tabs of GR2 Analyst so I can track
That's it.
two radar sites. So
Uh,
one radar site I'm gonna have Mobile site open, and the second one I'm gonna have the
yeah.
Alexandria's radar. Ooh, there's a little bit of rotation near Dry Creek. We actually do have to watch out for this storm. Or I don't know if this is contamination though. But we do have. Let me actually go on the Lake Charles radar. We get a better view.
Yeah.
Just waiting for the data
Chris,
to
look at the
pull.
StreamYard. Look at the StreamYard.
Yeah. It won't show because it's on my second monitor.
Yeah, did you see that?
Yeah, and I'm only sharing my first monitor, as you can see on the stream.
So yeah, I'm still on my live cam, but we do have some also flash flood warnings here. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fell. Is in uh, Harrison County, northwestern of that, southeastern Pearl River County, still in South Missouri, north of Bay St. Louis. It's kind of in like a rural kind of area. There's
Yeah.
another one in near Slidell, which is actually not rural, but they got 2.5 to 3.5 inches near the Big Lake, north of New Orleans. So if you're near, you could be experiencing flooding at some point, and be careful. So
Yeah. Yeah, Blaze was live yesterday. And the storms in Louisiana aren't really doing a whole lot. But the storm near, never mind, that storm, wait. One storm had a little bit of a hook in Louisiana, but I think it dissipated. 5 viewers, thank you guys so much. Storms in Louisiana aren't really doing much, but if we go to the Mobile radar site, we do have a little bit of more action.
there's a big storm over Mobile a little bit.
Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that.
But it's
Pretty
definitely not
strong
going to
wind.
produce any tornado. You can tell it's not tornado-like, but
Yeah.
it's just going to bring some heavy rain and isolated hail and some strong winds over Mobile.
Yeah. I'm kind of concerned for this storm near north of Gulfport. Do you see that?
Yeah.
It has 1.5-inch hail.
For
This is a super
no
cell.
rotation there though. No rotation.
It's kind of it's a super
Yeah, there's no
cell.
rotation. There's no rotation.
Barely any rotation, if that. If there is rotation, it's very broad.
Yeah.
That's basically the only cell I'm pretty concerned. Look at near the Mobile radar site. Look at those damaging winds. That's gonna bring some damaging winds if you look on velocity.
Crystal ball, yeah. Crystal ball. Crystal ball.
Bruh.
Oh, I forgot we were live.
A lot of these.
Oh, my man. I was just racing. All right, so
You go.
we do have oh wait, dude, I just have not like streamed in a while.
Is that why you're rusty?
I'm just like, oh, I just don't know my stuff.
Why you forgot some of your weather facts?
No, just not. I just quit weather for a long time.
Yeah.
I think Brain Maves knows that.
Yeah.
Special weather statement over Lake Charles right now. Big line of storms is moving through. This is what the big squall line that we're talking about. And that is really kind of weak right now, squall line, but it's producing probably up to wind gusts up to 40 miles an hour. Not very much, but besides that, just thunder, lightning. You know, stay indoors.
There's a chance it actually could become a QLCS later on. There's a chance. Which, if you don't know, it's a quasi-linear convective system.
Dude, bro's using GR2 analyst.
It's the best, dude.
No.
Do you like my color tape? Oh, that looks interesting. A little more tighter rotation starting to happen.
I won't be able to yeah, there's heavy snow in Missouri, rain mist. We gotta talk about that too. There's heavy snow in Missouri. Oh my gosh, there's no way that's snow. I'm looking down in Bourbon and Kiowa in Missouri. It's 34 degrees, so it could be. But if that's snow, that is like the heaviest band I've ever seen.
Yeah.
That is like almost pink showing up. That is the darkest red color. That's definitely has to be rain. That has to be rain.
I honestly don't think.
We're moving into an area that's snow, so that's like that's a 2-3 inch per hour band right there.
Yeah.
I'm that's not heading towards me, but it's like a lot of heavy rain from here now. It's super slushy in my area. It's starting to snow. I'm looking at I can see the outside my window. It's a mix of snow and rain right now.
Yeah. I don't know, Blaze. I don't know if you agree on me, but at the 8 p.m. Eastern update for the SBC, I don't think it's gonna go moderate.
No, it's not.
After what we're seeing right now, I don't think it is. But things could change.
Chris, so
yeah.
What is it? I'll have to like take a little break because I gotta get my schoolwork done, and if I don't get my schoolwork done, I'm gonna be screwed tomorrow with a ton of work.
All right, when are you gonna be back?
Do you have a ton of work typically and homework?
No, I do more work in class.
Yeah, I do all my work in class. I seem to have so much homework.
Yeah. Because my teachers say if you do a lot of work in class, we won't give you homework. So.
Dude, what? Dude, what's lucky?
Oh, this storm is starting to have a hook and it has a little bit of an inflow notch now. Gotta watch out for that.
There's a. Okay, I'm talking about the wrong area. That big storm near DeSoto National Forest that you're talking about in Mississippi, it's approaching Ramsey Springs. It's a little small little town.
Yeah.
And it's a really rural area with like barely any people at all. But it's a hailer and it's heading to southwestern George County and southeastern Stone County and southeastern Mississippi.
Yeah, a lot of these cells are actually merging into each other, so that could limit the tornadic ability or tornadic conditions, or to produce tornadoes.
If anybody's in the stream right now, just have some chats in because I want to get chat. Because that kind of makes the stream more enjoying, you know.
Yeah. There's broad rotation on the storm.
Yeah. Sir.
If you're wondering, broad means not that much, and it's not tight, right, Blaze?
Yeah, broad rotation.
10 views already so far, the live stream has. We got
Indeed.
3 concurrent viewers, which is probably Ray Maves, my mom watching my stream, and Blaze, right?
She is? Cool.
Probably. Alrighty, new radar scan should come in, so let's see that. The storms near Alexandria, it's overall, it's kind of a pretty weak squall line, right?
Yeah.
If this event goes moderate, I'm honestly gonna be in shock.
It's not. It's staying enhanced. It's staying enhanced.
Yeah,
I got no hope.
I have to agree.
It's staying enhanced. Oh, Reed Timmer said Reed Timmer's kind of close to that supercell north of Gulfport, Mississippi. He said sampling an intense elevated supercell passing north of Gulfport, Mississippi. That's what he mentioned.
Yeah. Do you think Ray Maves left the stream? Alrighty. Check on Mobile, and this storm is honestly... The Mobile storm is honestly really starting a hook, honestly, if you look at it. And rotation's getting a little bit tighter. It's a classic supercell right now. Or starting to mature. Hi, my grandma's in the stream now. Ooh, look at Spectrum Wit. There's starting to be some Spectrum Wit turbulence. Starting to be. Alright, it's because the reason why we're not getting tornado warnings in Louisiana is because these storms are merging into each other. They're starting to do a cell merger, so that could limit the tornadic, because then that means less fuel. So these storms are sucking up the atmosphere and getting all like the tornadic ingredients. We have 2 severe thunderstorm warnings right now. So as you can see, look at that squall line. Should we take a 3D of this storm? Oh, that's the rotation's actually starting to do stuff. Alright, if I take a 3D of the storm, you could see the pretty high cloud tops in this storm. It goes all the way up to this. Look at that. You see that hook? Look at the oranges. Even some pinks. Alright. We're just waiting for some new radar scans so we could talk about. Hey, Anthony. I haven't been live in a while. Live stream on here, breaking news. Nice. Alright. Anthony, you could be getting some thunderstorms tomorrow. I think you're under a 10 significant chance of tornadoes. $10 seconds to a new radar scan for the Velocity product. As you can look at that supercell. A little bit of some inflow. I'm watching out for that. Alright. Yep, that's gusting out. That rotation's gusting out. Starting to gust out. It really gusted out on that scan. Starting to gust out. You might. Yep. In New York City tomorrow, I just got issued a high wind warning, so I could get 60 miles an hour gusts tomorrow. So my power is probably going to go out. I'm prepared of the power going out. I'm honestly really prepared. Alright. Ooh. A little bit of some rotation here. We may have to watch out for this. Isolated spin-ups are possible in this QLCS or squall line. New day 1 outlook in 2 minutes. Yep, new day 1 in 2 minutes. They did shrink the tornado watch a little bit, if you guys are wondering. Hey Chris, you mind? Hey Chris, you mind? Alright. Good luck. Alrighty. I'm not sure if this is gusting out. I determine on the next scan. Oops. Ooh, Enrot shows some decent rotation. Good luck. My friend Blaze is here, but I think he had to go study a little. Alright. A lot of people are on the storm right now. One minute till the new day 1 outlook. This is actually going to be an interesting day 1 outlook. 15 seconds till this update should happen. Hey Chris, when was the last time we had... I never had a surgery. Yep. I say it's gusting out now that that scan's done. I say it's gusting out. And it looks like the cell.
Alright, I'm back. I'm back.
It looks like it's starting to merge now, the storm,
Dude,
right?
it was starting. If you look at my area, I was just outside. It's like fully changing to snow, and it's like really, really heavy snow. And since it's super windy right now outside, it's like gusting, really like blowing, and it's blowing.
If you're wondering,
it's like a massive slushiness. It's like turning into snow a little bit.
Ooh, you had 10 surgeries, dang.
Who is this guy?
Anthony. He's one of my good viewers. He's always in my chat.
That's cool.
If you're wondering, that's Blaze. He's my weather friend. The inflow notch is getting... If you're wondering, the inflow notch is getting taken over by the storm near... They're gonna merge. That's gonna limit the tornadic conditions. That's gonna limit the tornadic conditions.
No.
What?
Don't want that. I do not want that. I also don't want
Yeah. Alright, is that the new scan? Alright, new scan came in. Now, Blaze, are you looking at my chat?
Oh, am I looking at chat?
Yeah.
Nine. Okay.
Yeah, but why does the base reflectivity update 30 seconds before the velocity?
I'm doing good. Yeah. Yeah, that there's wants to be back storms back to back. Yeah. I'm getting hit by one of the storms. Snowing right now. I'm in St. Louis. It's snowing a little bit, but it's supposed to rain a lot, so and it's been raining. It's kind of like slushy, so it's
Yeah.
not really accumulating that much snow here. But probably not gonna get very much snow. But there's more chance of snow later. And down where Chris is, he's gonna get this big storm too with
Yeah.
his. It's supposed to be winter time, but instead he's getting a ton of rain.
Yeah. At least I get strong winds, but then my power's probably gonna go out. My power goes out a lot.
Yeah, there's a lot more high wind warnings than over in like Buffalo. They're getting up
Yeah.
in Buffalo. They're getting up to 65 miles an hour gusts.
Oh, they got a high. Mine, the max is 60.
Well, yeah, your thing shows 30, 40 miles an hour and gusts up to 60 expected.
But
This is where Richmond, Staten Island County, Kings, Brooklyn, Northwest Suffolk,
yeah,
Southeast. There's Northern Queens, Southern Queens, and Southern Nassau.
those are all the locations in that. Is this gusting out? This storm? It's hard to say. It's about to merge into its own storm. Hey guys, I got a question. Where is winter? What happened to it? I don't mean that animals, I mean the weather. What happened to it? It's been warmer lately. Right, Blaze?
Yeah.
Yeah. My mom's on my account. You see how sometimes she chats and stuff. This event's a little bit boring, right? Like, not much is happening. Let's see the new day one. Blaze, it didn't go moderate. New day one outlook is out. Still a 10 sig. A new mesoscale discussion. Shall I read the mesoscale discussion? Discussion. Warm storms continue to shift. A cold front is associated with the line, which is near Louisiana. Or, yeah. Possible tornado watch extension for the panhandle. They got rid of the enhanced risk for Texas and parts of Louisiana. That's the change. Well, I live in Central. Yeah. Yep, this rotation is gone. Or the storm is gusting out completely. How I know it's gusting out is because you see that right there. That's how you know it's gusting out. Right,
Alright, I'm back. I
Blaze?
couldn't even hear you at all either. So.
This is how you know a storm's gusting out. If you see how, like, you see on my stream how it's, like, bowing a little.
Yeah, well, oh yeah, I just see that. But, also, where is it?
Yeah.
Man. Keep forgetting what I'm gonna say. That sucks.
What? Because you haven't been doing wider in a while.
I don't know. Oh yeah, new enhanced risk update.
Yeah, I
10
said
total.
that. I had a
Then,
feeling it wasn't gonna go moderate.
yup. Let's go, Chris. Let's go, Chris.
Do you think this event is downtrending?
This event is more downtrending. But no, there's more to the event because the
Yeah.
event's only in this part of Louisiana. It's gonna get all the way to Pensacola,
Yeah.
Florida, and it's gonna like advance through the region, and it's gonna go all the way through Florida, and being more 10 sigs to Destin in those areas.
There's
And
also
over Wednesday
rain, though.
tomorrow to North Carolina and South Carolina, more 10 sig, another 10 sig again. So that's like awesome. And then day 4, another storm,
Yeah.
in the same places.
Yeah.
In the same places, Chris.
Well, I live in central North Carolina, yeah. What is your profile?
Central North Carolina. Mine?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I'm not showing that on stream.
Dude, it's not even. You live in Central North Carolina. That's cool.
Yeah.
So that means you're probably like Central North Carolina. Don't see snow at all. Yeah, you guys are you near like Raleigh or Greensboro or like Charlotte kind of areas? Because all those areas are in flood watches.
Yeah.
Rain, 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 rain.
I'm in a flood watch, a high wind warning.
In a coastal flood watch.
Yeah, and a coastal flood advisory or warning. Let me check. I'm gonna
It says
check.
peak surge of 4 to 5 feet likely between times of high tide, Tuesday evening and Wednesday morning.
Yeah.
Chris, high tide is Tuesday evening.
Oh, yeah.
And heavy rain during the Tuesday evening high tide will likely exacerbate urban and poor drainage flood issues for coastal
I got flood issues.
and for coastal and shoreline roads.
Dang. Also, yeah.
So, Anthony, looks like in the central North Carolina area they could get 3 to 5 inches in central, like closer to Winston Salem. And
What risk are they under? Are they under the 10 stick?
Central North Carolina is probably is more of Central North Carolina is more of a 5% or a 2% tornado chance.
Yeah.
If he could be, because a part of Central North Carolina is in the 10 sig, more like Southern North Carolina is in the 10 sig.
Yeah.
And then the only place in like North Carolina that really gets snow very often is probably the mountains of the Smokies.
Yep.
Smoky Mountains.
Yeah. Oh, we have 4 viewers. Thank you, guys.
4 viewers. Let's go.
Yep.
Let's go, guys. Got to do this.
The storm's about to merge. And the severe thunderstorm warning just expired on it.
Also, Chris, the storms right now the score right now is in the 15%, not even in the 30 sig wind yet. So things are gonna advance and get stronger. Because right now might not be the best conditions, but coming up conditions are the good conditions. You know.
They're gonna the line's gonna start to get into the 30 winds in like an hour, probably.
Yeah, and like this storm, like this storm stuff, it's barely started. You know that?
Yeah. Hey, you guys think the storm has
like it's barely started. Sorry for talking all weird, but
he says, Anthony said, do you think the storms have a chance to go into bombogenesis?
I don't know about that. I don't really.
The storm completely gussed out. It's over, probably, for now. Alright.
I don't think it'll go. Yeah, it will not go bombogenesis.
Yeah.
Definitely not.
One time we had a nor'easter
The storm
that
is
went in.
not going to rapidly intensify over a 24-hour period and drop in millibars really fast. For the
Yeah.
pressure.
One time I had a nor'easter that went into bombogenesis. I may end the stream soon.
That's definitely not true. Live tornado outbreak coverage, says Green Timber.
So far, it's not really a tornado outbreak so far.
Well, it actually is a tornado outbreak, says Reed Timber, so he's right. I'm just kidding. It could be.
Yeah.
You know, it's possible. It's definitely possible. It's definitely
I'm
possible.
trying to find some areas of rotation. I don't really. They're all broad.
Yeah, I'll be back. I'll probably have to go soon.
Alright. We gotta watch out for these type of storms. How's Lake Charles doing? Hey Chris, are you in the... It depends when the event is, because I have school, so it depends. Depends what time it is. If it's after school, then I will 100% cover it. Most likely on stream. They're actually moving the New Orleans radar site to Baton Rouge or here. Alrighty. Probably end the stream soon, guys. Because not that much is happening. I see a little bit of some strong. We have to watch out for an embedded rotation right here. That's the next thing. We have to watch out for some rotation right here. Alright guys, we're probably gonna end the stream. But we gotta watch out near Turkey Creek for these embedded rotations into the line. Alright, you gotta go, Anthony. Have a great night.
I'm back. I'm back.
We're gonna end the stream soon.
We are.
Yeah.
No. Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys. If something big happens, I'll be back on. Right, Blaze?